Do you still remember your favorite cartoon in your childhood? Please tell me in the comments. These days I dug out the cartoons I watched when I was a kid, but because they are so old, I found that the resolution of these cartoons is very low. So I tried to fix these cartoons today. Let's go. So first go to this website and download the Video Enhancer tool free. Or you just click the link in the description and free to get it. Then launch it. Just input your video here and you can find the animation model on the right and this AI model especially to repair anime and cartoon videos to high resolution, so let's have a try. Click the setting here and choose the output format. I choose 4K resolution in MP4 format here, then choose the location. Click the preview to check the result. Just wait a minute. Wow, the video becomes more clearer and colors become more vivid. I tried a few more and the results were beyond my imagination. Take a look at these comparisons. So do you like the result? Let me know in the comment area and we will randomly select one lucky commenter to send out a surprise.